Welcome to BestSub Fabric Factory in Guangzhou City. It covers an area of over 2,300 square meters, producing more than 500 sublimation fabric products such as apparel, bags, wallets, and leather phone cases. In this special period of time, our fabric factory mainly produces non-medical sublimation printable fabric masks, providing a wide variety of our mask styles, with the daily output reaching 30 to 40,000. To create a safe and reassuring workshop, we disinfect the whole factory every day and stipulate that all the workers must wear masks and wash their hands before entering the factory. The manufacturing process is also strictly supervised. Each mask is made after going through precise material cutting, multiple times of sewing, and trimming and ironing. Before packing and delivery, finished masks will be randomly tested to examine the printout images and product quality. All the factory workers and the whole BestSub team are working together and striving for your orders. We'll try to ship your orders as soon as we can. Please keep safe and well.